Hi, I'm just going to give a little quick tutorial on how you as an individual will reconcile your accounts. So suppose I'm Audrey and I need to, fill in all this information. I don't actually work on this spreadsheet. This is a spreadsheet that Celine will fill in. She will fill in all of this information over here from the credit card for that particular month. So what you will do as an individual, you'll go down to this overall worksheet area down here, and then you'll select the month, and in this case you'll select July, and then I'll select Audrey, and then it should then it takes a little while sometimes, but then you notice here that it has all these different things that Audrey needs to do. And so then she could say, okay, I'm going to work on this particular one here. And it actually highlights the areas that need to be worked on a little bit, and it also tells you things that need to be done. So I need to add a note, so I'll just add a note, this is actually this is Hanoi Bistro, $79. So I don't know, maybe this was a lunch for. Actually, this was a lunch that she had for us, to thank us for putting together this. So I'll say appreciation lunch. And I'm going to skip over this one for now. No requester name. And then here you could just type in something like, I don't know, business. And it'll bring up a list of stuff. And, oh, maybe I'll look for appreciation. Ah, okay, business appreciation gifts. Okay, maybe something like that. I don't know. Sure, why not? And then I'll enter in the full amount, 79.87. And it tells me that everything's all good. If I, maybe this is something that is actually spread out over multiple things, so I will say this is just, say, $70. And it says that it's still missing an amount of $9.87. And so I say, okay, another thing was, I don't know, youth outreach event, something like that. And then I'll put in here $9.87. And that's all good now. Now, what I haven't done is I haven't added a receipt yet. And so what I will do is I need to put a link in here, a Google link. So I'm going to go to maybe another folder, and this is just an example. So go to some other folder where you have saved all of your files. It should be a Google folder. So put all of your receipts into some Google folder somewheres, and I'll just take any picture here. It doesn't have to be a receipt picture, but it'll be in this case, a JPEG of something. So I will get the link. I'll copy the link. And then I'll go back to here and I will paste in that link. And that's what you need. Okay. And that's it. And notice it says all done now. It's all good. It's happy. So if you don't really need to do this, and then now you go to the next one, you go AK2. And it takes a little while again, but now I'm working on the next one. The next one is this. You can see the information here, $25, and go ahead and fill it all out. Ideally, you just keep on working till it's all done in green. Okay, so then you can go. I'll go back. I'll just go back and clear this out because this really isn't done. I don't really want to do with this information. So you could just go in and edit anything you want, really. So I can go back up here and just clear this out. All you should be editing is the stuff in yellow. This is really the only stuff that you should be editing. I guess red too, right here. This stuff down here, kind of the gray stuff here, the gray stuff over here, you don't touch, you don't edit at all. Okay? And then for Linda, all you'll do is go to the account summary, and I think I think Celine's already done some of this stuff, so you'll see this information here. You'll notice that it shows up red here. It says it failed because it doesn't really cross-check because nobody else has done all of their stuff yet. But once everybody's done their stuff, it really should be green. If everything matches up as it should be, it'll turn all green. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, just a little note back for Linda here. This is not something that should be touched or edited in any way. Anything that's gray in general in this spreadsheet should not be edited or removed. Please do not add rows, add columns. I think it's safe to type in stuff over here if you really wanted to, but I don't know if there's really a need to do that. If there is, let me know. Same over here. Please, actually for individuals, you really don't need to be on this page too much. The individual worksheet tab is really made for you. And so this really is just to see the overall information. And if we scroll down, we can see that, you know, Celine has done all of this down here. But actually, if we scroll over, we notice that the status is actually showing up over here, and actually need to actually put in all the receipts for all of them. So actually, let's go back to the individual worksheet. I'll go back to Celine, and then you notice that all of them say fixed receipt, fixed receipt, fixed receipt. So let's actually choose one of them, CB1. And you'll notice that it's red here because it's missing a receipt link. And so, you know, again, you'll just do what I kind of showed you. You'll go to some other page, you'll find the link, and then copy that link in. Okay, again, all your receipts should be saved in some Google folder somewhere. So this is something you'll need to do just on your own as a way of organizing your receipts on a monthly basis, and then you just copy those links into this area right there. Okay, I think that's it. Hopefully this is helpful.